So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Adobe stock on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the top right, press on the search icon, and as I mentioned before, if you want to buy Adobe stock, type in ticker symbol ADBE. Once you're here, press Adobe at the top. Now once you're on the Adobe stock page, go to the bottom left and press on trade, and then press on buy. Once you're on the buy page, simply just adjust what the settings that you're looking to adjust. So for session type, you can adjust that. For order type, you can go limit or market. You can type in the quantity. So for example, if you wanted 10 shares, the estimated price will be right below. If you wanted to buy 5 shares, etc., it'll show you the estimated price. And if you want to proceed with the transaction, press on the green buy button towards the bottom of this and proceed this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Adobe stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.